Hello, this is my attempt to create a robot that will solder automatically. This is a test of the soldering iron head. You can see a T12 soldering tip which is connected to mount and ultimately to one of these soldering iron control things that they sell on AliExpress. It's in sleep mode now, so it's cooling. I will turn it on and you will hear a beep when it reaches temperature. Target temperature is 250 degrees. Yeah, you can see the temperature is rising very quickly. And it is on target temperature. I will try to extrude some this is a 0.8 millimeter solder wire which goes through this needle, and it's supposed to hit the tip. Yeah, it does. And if it was straight, it will extrude better. Yeah, it's hitting some sort of, yeah, there you go. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's making a big blob. I'm expecting it to fall any moment on the sponge. Yay! There it is. And extrude some more. Yeah, that is pretty much the end of my wire here. Come back. I can hide it back in the tip. Okay, I will put the soldering iron to sleep. It's 170 degrees. I'll try to get rid of this blob. There it is. Yeah, success.